working on this old Craftsman Briggs and Stratton 500 series, 158cc, 5 foot-pounds of torque engine. Replaced the pump on it. This machine is almost 20 years old. It came out around 2006. It's currently 2025. And the pump was hard to find, but I will have a link in the description for the pump. And if you click on the link and make a purchase, I will get a small commission from that, no extra cost to you, and that will help support this channel. In order to remove this pump, you have to put a wrench on this nut here, and then you have to come under here, the Allen wrench, to loosen up these bolts. And you need size CR-V6 Allen wrench. You also want to, I'm doing this in the dirt, so I have some cardboard that the engine is laying on, and you want to make sure the gas tank is empty because the fuel will leak out, and also some oil may leak out too, having it laying on its side. What's nice about this, it's only 3 bolts that hold this pump in. Put the bolts somewhere, you're not going to lose them. Yeah, see, it doesn't want to. Wiggling it might help you to get it off. Jiggle it like this. There we go. And you can't really. There we go. I turned it. You can see there's the woodruff key there. See here on the new pump, there's the woodruff key. We have to line those up. Okay. Now we have to see if we can get the 3 legs to line up. Okay, it looks like they're gonna line up there, hopefully. And that's what I want anyway, because you want the hookups for the hose and the pressure line to be the back of the machine. First I'm gonna put the bolt through here. Then I'm gonna try to get it into the engine. Once you get one in, it should be easier to get the other 2 in. I got that side in, now I'm going to come to this side here and just try to maneuver it into place. The way this is designed, I'm going to have to get longer bolts. These are the bolts that you're going to need. M8-1.25 millimeters. And I got 60 millimeters, and those worked out just good with this pump. And I got stainless because that's all they had. I don't recommend you get stainless because they were over $3 each, which is ridiculous. So it cost me almost $15 just to get those bolts. I reused the old nuts. You can see the bolt sticking out a little bit, what you want above the nut. I also put some Loctite blue on them, even though you don't need that because it didn't have it before and it was fine. Either this isn't the right pump for this machine, or they only went by the schematics of the pump itself, because see here, I'm not sure what that is. That might be the oil drain plug, but I didn't even know this mower had that. I always tip it over to drain the oil, but even if that's what it is, I can't use it because see this foot's in the way. And see here, I had to put some washers because I couldn't get this bolt tight, because see it damaged the foot a little bit there. I didn't realize it was pushing into that until I was trying to figure out why it was still loose. This other leg here is fine, but then the other leg, but then this leg here had a problem too. See, it was touching the engine body, so I had to put a washer there too. So you'll have to do that.